Hi families, this is a tutorial for how to access the STAR Early Literacy Assessment. The students will be taking this assessment on Wednesday morning during their independent work time. In order to access the assessment, you will need to first log into Clever and then scroll until you see the STAR Assessment icon. Click the icon and then you're going to click I'm a student. After you click I'm a student, you're going to log in with your child's username. This is the username that they use to get into Clever. So you'll type in your child's number. And then your child's password is STAR, S-T-A-R. Click login. And then you will click this button, the STAR Early Literacy button. That is how far I can show you right now for the test, because this is actually a child in our classes, and in order to access it, it would begin the test for them. So again, the first thing you'll do is log into Clever, then you'll click the star, and then you will type in your child's username, and the password is STAR, S-T-A-R. This test gives me a good idea on what skills your child may be strong in, and also areas where they would need some more help. If you help your child answer the questions, this will limit the extra support that I can give them. I will not know what they actually know if you give them the answers. If your child was in school, they would be doing this independently. No one would be helping them. So we're going to try and mimic that, so at home, no one is helping them give them the answers. Again, please have your child just try their best, and this will give me a better indication of how I can help them. Before the actual test begins, after they would click this button, it gives you a direction page, and there's some practice questions. You will not be able to move forward with the test unless you listen to the practice questions. You may sit with your child, but do not give them the answers. If they look to you for help, say, make a guess, just make your best choice. Thank you so much for your help, and I will let you know how your child does on this assessment.